Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Christina Abiola, and I'm here with a hair tutorial today. I will be doing knotless braids for the first time, and I'm really excited. So I'm just going to be putting some oil just to moisturize my hair. Rub that in there. And I'm going to use a mixture of oils that I use. It's like coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, and eucalyptus oil, all mixed together, and that helps moisturize my hair really well. And I also use it as a pre-poo. So before this, I did pre-poo my hair with aloe vera, and I shampooed, washed, and I used rice water for the first time. So it's pretty good. Look at that. We got growth, girl. Rat tail comb. We're gonna use this jam, edge control, and I'm gonna show you guys how. I'm gonna tell you guys how I use the gels because I didn't use them together, but for like the braids in the back I use the jam, and the braids in the front, just for like real nice neatness, I use the edge control. So I'm just gonna be parting straight back, like just rows, and this actually helped me. I was looking through the camera, so that was actually really helpful. So I'm going to use these rubber bands to tie them together, and I'll just stop talking and show you guys how I do this. Okay, so I'm going to be using this small little piece for each braid, and that's how I got the small size that I was looking for. And that's the first piece, second piece, and third piece. That's all you need for this style that I'm doing. Now I'm going to start like a regular corn roll, and then we're going to feed in those three pieces that we sectioned out, 3 even pieces. And depending, in the front I used a smaller piece starting off, but for now I'm using 3 even pieces because the hair the back of my head is thicker. So now this part I did kind of mess up. This isn't how you're supposed to do it, but I just showed this clip because I'm showing you guys pretty much like how I figured out my braiding. Even though I did it this way, it still came out pretty decent. So I added the first piece. Now I'm gonna add, I braided again, which I wasn't supposed to, but it's fine. We're learning. We're learning. Added my second piece. This time I did it right. So I put it under and added to my left hand, braid with my right hand, and then flip that piece back into my left hand. And I'm gonna add another piece. This is how you're supposed to do it, right back to back. Put that first strand into my left hand, braid with my right hand, come back around, and then add that leftover piece back into my left hand, and then continue to braid. Would I say this is like beginner friendly? Yeah, I mean, I think you have to be braiding for a while to really get the feed in, because if you're not used to the braiding pattern with your hands and like, you know, braiding with your hands, then it may get a little bit confusing. But I'm just gonna let the next clip play and let you guys watch it, and then I have another clip and I'll explain that again. Okay, now last, I'm doing my regular cornrows twice, but here I did it mad times. I don't know why. But in the front I figured maybe I should, so I did that 4 times, but you're supposed to do it just braid twice and then add hair. So this piece is smaller than the other 2, and I did that because the front hair, my hair isn't as thick as in the back. So I'm just doing the same thing, putting that first flipped piece into my left hand, and then I'm adding another piece, flip that in there, and then you braid, then you add the piece, and now we're going to add the second piece. I hope I'm explaining this well. I just don't know how to explain it verbally, but you know, I hope it's at least somewhat helpful. So yeah, I'm just gonna let everything play, and I'm gonna see you guys at the end. So here we are at the end of the hour. This is actually day 2 because I took some time off the night before just to get my baby girl settled and get stuff done. But I love how it came out. It's so light. It's just amazing. Like I could put it up in a ponytail and it not be heavy. It doesn't hurt right now. No tension. I didn't dip it in hot water, which I should have, but it just felt like okay, so I just didn't dip it. But if you want to dip it in hot water for it to be a little bit, you know, looser, you can do that. But yeah, here it is, nice and full. It's really great. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe if you like this tutorial. Let me know, comment down below what else you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.